In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize Jotform URL. Customizing your form's URL makes it easier to share, easier to remember, and more professional. Instead of a long default link, you'll end up with a clean, branded address that points people straight to your form. Start by logging into Jotform using your regular account credentials. Once you're in, head to the My Forms page. Here you'll see a list of all your forms. Choose the form you want to customize and click Edit Form to open it in the builder. At the top of the builder, click Settings. On the left-hand side, make sure you're in Form Settings. This is where general options about your form live, including the URL. Look for the section labeled Form URL. You'll see the current link Jotform generated for your form, and within it, a portion called the URL slug. That slug is the customizable part that comes at the end of the address. Click to edit the URL slug. Keep a few best practices in mind as you type. It must be unique across Jotform, so if someone else is already using the same slug, you'll be prompted to choose a different one. Avoid spaces entirely. Use hyphens to separate words so the link stays clean and readable. For example, use contact request form rather than contact request form. Short, descriptive, and lowercase slugs tend to work best. Stick to letters, numbers, and hyphens, and avoid special characters or private information. A good slug might include your organization name and form purpose, like feedback form or summer camp registration. When you're happy with the slug, click Save. Jotform will validate it instantly. If you see an error that it's already taken or contains spaces, adjust it by adding a simple identifier, such as a year, location, or a brief descriptor, and keep using hyphens instead of spaces. After saving, your form's link will immediately update to include your new slug. Test the link by previewing the form to make sure it loads correctly. Keep in mind that changing the slug changes the link itself, so if you previously shared the old link, you'll want to update any places where it appears to avoid broken links. This step is all about clarity and consistency, so pick something you'll be comfortable using across emails, social posts, and your website. That's it. Log in, go to My Forms, edit your form, open Settings, select Form Settings, find Form URL, edit the slug, and save. With a unique hyphenated slug in place, your Jotform URL will look polished and be easier for people to trust and remember.